As for the prayer of the Asr, you'll find that that person, because of his laziness, he becomes like a hypocrite in his character. Well, the Prophet of Allah ﷺ, he said, this is the person who delays the Asr until it's the end of its time, and then ينقرها نقرا. تلك صلاة المنافق. Then he will pray it like a crow pecking crow. Means very fast in order to catch up with the time before the sunset. This is the munafiq, the hypocrite. He will keep delaying until the last portion of the sun, which is red. So it is disliked to delay the time of the Asr prayer to the yellowish. That's disliked. And it's forbidden to be prayed at the Shafaq al-Ahmar, the red twilight. This is just before the sunset. You'll find, the yellow is becoming red because the sun is setting. And that is prohibited. This is one of the prayers where it's prohibited to pray, even it is between Dhuhr and Asr is Asr, but the prayer here is not allowed to be prayed at the last minutes of its time, because this has been called the time for the hypocrite. He keeps delaying until the last moment, and then he will go fast in order to pray it within the time. So when the person is keen to pray the Asr, then most likely he will be keen to pray the other prayers. Same thing with the prayer of the Fajr.